आदाब नाजरीन, उदयगिरी में मौजूद सिटीज़न कॉन्वेंट स्कूल तमाम को पता है और यहाँ की कारकर्दगी को लेकर भी तमाम को पता है कि यहाँ पे इत्मीनान बख्श तालीम दी जा रही है और यहाँ पे ख़ुसूसी तौर पर अटल टिंकरिंग का भी एक नज़म किया गया है। और मैं एक बहुत ही खुशखबरी की बात सुनाने जा रहा हूँ कि इस स्कूल की रहनुमा मोहतरमा डॉक्टर महाजबीन को डॉक्टरेट का एजाज़ मिल चुका है। यानी एक तरह से कौम को एक बहुत बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि हमारे कौम की ख़वातीन को जो मुसलसल तालीमी मैदान में अपनी खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे हैं, उनको डॉक्टरेट से नवाजा जाना ही उनकी काबिलियत पर एक तरह का एक तोहफ़ा कहा जा सकता है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
मैडम, सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिली मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ कि आपको डॉक्टरेट से नवाजा गया है। मैडम, कहाँ से मिला है आपको, ज़रा बताइए।
We got it from the World Health Protection Department Commission, wherein they have just taken the 100 inspirational educators into consideration, and they have just elected me as one of them. I'm so very honored to say that I'm very proud to say that from this locality I have been selected as one among them, and I have been just given the doctorate, of which I'm very proud to feel about it. And moreover, it is the inspiration what every public, the area, my student have given me, and I thank God and of course my people over here to see that I am giving them. I got the doctorate that is in the field of student, that is the educational psychology into consideration. Even when I did my masters also, there again I have taken in my M.Ed course also, that is taking the psychology of the students into consideration. So right from the beginning I had concentrated on it, and now I have given that is inspirational educator. That's what taken into consideration, and I have been awarded as a doctor in that. I feel very proud about it and I'm honored with it. Thank you in that
Of
way.
course, ma'am. Recently, means 2-3 months back, I think we came here for Atal tinkering that workshop.
Yes, sir. The inaugural lab inauguration we have done.
It's very nice to see because in the particularly in this area, nobody have that.
Right, sir. Here in this particular area, see, right from nursery we take the skill into consideration, taking the scientific values into consideration. There, what we do is, if we take parts of a plant only, we demonstrate, we inculcate in such a way that these things are that born in their mind of the tiny thoughts. That is the scientific, and that is the scenario what we call as. So we take in that way. Likewise, all our activities we taken into consideration, and we just been given the the 8 year what we call as, and we from nursery till the higher standard we are taking the scientific values into consideration, and we inculcating the same thing among the minds of the students.
How is this lockdown now? How is the online classes?
Yeah, of course. Right from, again I say, from nursery till 10th standard, we were conducting both the online and the offline, but 95% of the work was done through online only. And our parents, they do cooperate with us, and my staff too. I just say hats up to them that they are involved in our work and they are hand to hand in the institution.
It's a teamwork.
Yes, sir. Without them, we are nothing.
Of course.
They are cooperating with us, and we are doing the best of it. And myself, and of course even my children to cooperate in that way, because my daughter is also a doctor, and moreover my son also is a coordinator over here. He helps me a lot. My residence is very near. That is also playing a very important role, so that even sometime till 12-1 also we do be in the school, and we are putting our efforts and giving our time to the institution.
Okay. Ma'am, we noticed that
Right.
some people don't have a smartphone still
Right.
now. So what can they do, ma'am?
We are just motivating them, just stop all the unwanted expenditure, and moreover,
Yes,
just,
exactly. Instead of buying clothes and all. Yes,
concentrate here.
Yes.
Otherwise, what we do, we are recording the videos.
Yes.
When we are recording, many of the students who are not affordable, we are calling them when we are recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
They attend the class, maintaining the distance again, and those recorded videos will be sent to those parents who have already got the smartphone.
Okay.
In that way, these children also will be benefited, and others also, those who are not, because we have to maintain the distance.
Of course, ma'am. That's what I ask you.
Yeah. In that way, what we do, those children will be just witnessing the class, and others also will be sent to the WhatsApp, and the recorded classes will be noticed.
Very nice, ma'am.
That we are doing, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
That we are doing.
Ma'am, this SLC exams is anyhow, the result will be come, no?
Yeah.
So what about your school?
We got 100%.
MashaAllah.
And moreover, many of them, of course, distinction,
Okay.
A plus, and of course A, and more others also, because many students, because of this online classes, they couldn't.
Yes, yes.
But in spite of that, we had just, even to the last moment, we called the student and we have told them to come and just even attend the classes. So therefore, of course, mashallah, the result is good. It is been into the consideration. And moreover, I can say that they too also have cooperated with us. These young mind and that with the adolescent children, because of the lockdown also, we have called it in groups, so that they come over here, they can interact with us, and moreover, and gain the, because the system also have changed this time.
Yes, yes.
Only 2 papers actually, in one day,
Yes.
three papers, and like 2 days we conducted, and almost everybody have attended, and mashallah, 100% result
Alhamdulillah,
we have got it, sir.
Alhamdulillah.
We have tried our level best, but what our trying is, without their cooperation, we are nothing.
Of course, ma'am. Of
We
course.
are nothing.
Of
Our
course.
parents, that is the student parents and my student, I'll say hats off to them.
This is the last question, ma'am. तालीम के लिए क्या पैगाम देंगे आप? मतलब any message for education?
What I told is just have an aim in your mind
Okay.
right from the beginning. Secondly, hard work. The result automatically will be there. Understood? We know even in our Islam, शुरुआत से शुरू करो और साथ ही तालीम को importance
बिल्कुल,
दो.
बिल्कुल, madam. जी.
Importance देना जरूरी है.
जी.
Now the days have come in such a, without education, a person becomes nil.
Of course,
Nil.
ma'am.
And that too, especially in our community, when a child grows to a particular age, either they go for any other work, or the child, that is, the girls will get married.
Ji.
That's time being we have marriage
Bilkul.
can be happening.
course, of
Even
course.
after 18 or 21
Of
years,
course,
that can be done. That is not only the criteria, especially in our community. What I request even the students' parents is, at a limited period only, you see that the marriage and other work and all can be inculcated. Before that, let my children, let my students, they get educated in the interest of their own, their family, and of course my society, and of course our Islam. That has to be actually cultivated in such a way that they go further and reach to a higher level.
Alhamdulillah,
To a higher level. That is what I'll be praying, and I'll see that my dreams come true only through their efforts and my effort, even in this age also. To the last moment, I'll be working harder for my own community, my society, my students, and of course my satisfaction and my conscience.
Thank
I'll
you
do
so
that.
much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
आज जो है कल एसएलसी का रिजल्ट जो आया
जी.
तो हमें बहुत खुशी है, हमारे स्टूडेंट्स
जी.
टॉपर्स जाके हैं.
माशाल्लाह.
तो मैं एक एक से बुला के कंग्रेट करना चाहूंगा.
बिल्कुल.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हानी प्लीज आगे. हानी का जो है परसेंटेज 93%.
माशाल्लाह. क्लैप क्लैप. माशाल्लाह.
God bless you. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट यासीन अंसारी 89%.
माशाल्लाह.
89 तालियां.
Okay, you just take a simple.
शाहिद अंसारी 86%.
Very disciplined boy. Very
Mashallah,
nice.
mashallah.
Okay, very nice of you. Take this.
यास्मीन है कि आके नहीं है, प्लस अनस 81%.
क्लैप.
नेक्स्ट जो है हमारे स्कूल के जो पूरे सब स्टूडेंट्स पास हो गए हैं.
बिल्कुल.
सर, जो-
डिस्टिंक्शन
हाँ,
कहते हैं टोटल बोल दिया.
5 distinctions आ गए हैं सर.
जी,
5
जी.
distinction. Out of
माशाल्लाह.
40 students, 5 distinctions are there. And all सभी high first class and first class.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thanks. Hani, first of all, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
So, what do you want to say?
Sir, it's really a great honor that I have received. I have been a distinction student and been a school topper. It's all because of our teachers who made us, who gave us this much confidence that we will be something in our future life. We will be something. We will achieve something. It's all about our teachers' efforts they gave us study materials. Everything what they have said, we have followed, so we achieved a lot. It's a great thanks for our teachers who made us this. It's a great special thanks for our principal ma'am who gave us study materials to study, how to study, how the evaluators will be there. In this quarantine time and this lockdown 2021, it's really a difficult time to study. All been in home, not going for schools and all. They took us online classes, special classes, Samveda classes and all. They take us Vidyagama classes, all were there. So with the help of them, with the efforts what the teachers have given, so we have achieved a lot. A great thanks for our teachers.
Once again, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Just to tell your name first.
My name is Asin Sari. I am studying in Saret.
Okay.
I have been second topper of my school, studies and government.
Okay.
It is an honor me to tell about my education. Teachers always help us a lot. We have went for many tuitions in SS coaching center. There Manjunath sir also helped us a lot. They have guided every step in how we should take, how we should write, how they will come, how we should attend. No depression. We should be in attention.
Okay. All the best. Sir, your name?
Myself Shahid Hussain. I have been third topper of Citizen Convent. I special thank to our school teachers Muhib sir and dear principal Mahajabin ma'am, and also we are going for SS coaching center. There also they had told, and in our school also they had advised we should go mind free, not take so depression. We should be cool and go and write. So I had score 532. It's special thanks to my teachers first of all, and our parents also support a lot in studies. Thank you.
Okay. Your name?
My name is Mohammad Anas Khan.
Okay.
I would thank my teachers, head ma'am, Muhib sir, a lot to help me in explanation of lessons, and I would thank my tuition teacher for also.
Okay. For you, a question.
Sir.
Nowadays, girls are very top in every year. Why this has happened? Why boys not come forward? Is there any aim to come forward like that? Because especially for boys, comparing to girls, why this happens? I don't know.
Sir, first of all, boys have many friend circle, so they will not
Concentrate like girls and all.
Girls mean they will go for only school and go out with friends, little we meet.
Okay.
Little concentration will be.
I hope in future you can do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hani, first last question. In future, what do you want to be?
Sir, I want to take science in PCMB and a computer engineer.
Yes, sir. What do you want to be? Means come like any dream for you?
Yes, sir.
I had to go reach like that.
Yes, sir. It's my dream to become a computer engineer.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Wish you all the best to all.
Thank you.
Thank you. आपका नाम मैडम?
Sir, my name is Aisha Jabin.
Okay.
First of all, my hearty congratulations to 10th standard students.
जी.
In spite of this COVID situation, सुरेश कुमार सर अपनी तरफ से जो कुछ भी हो सके स्टूडेंट्स की मेहनत वेस्ट नहीं करते हुए एग्जाम कंडक्ट करके उनके ग्रेड्स जो उनके जिस तरह से उनको मार्क्स लेना था उसी तरह से उनको मार्क्स दिए. इसलिए मैं सुरेश कुमार सर का अपनी तहे दिल से मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ.
जी मैडम, ये पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में आम दिनों की तरह नहीं था ये मरतबा, तो ये कैसा लगा आपको? मतलब स्टूडेंट्स वो मुकाम तक पहुंचने में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मुश्किलात आए?
नहीं सर, सुरेश कुमार सर ने जो कुछ भी डिसीजन लिया हुआ है वो बिल्कुल सही था, और उनकी जो कुछ भी जो स्टूडेंट जो मेहनत कर रहे हैं उनको अपनी मेहनत के हिसाब से उनको मार्क्स मिला है. इस सिचुएशन में पैंडेमिक की वजह से बच्चों पे कुछ भी बुरा
यानी नाइंसाफी कुछ नहीं हुई है?
कुछ नाइंसाफी हुई, क्योंकि
ये बात सामने आई कि पैंडेमिक की वजह से जो रैंक होल्डर्स थे उनको नहीं मिला, ऐसा बात आ रही थी.
वैसे तो हुआ नहीं. जो कोई भी वर्क हार्ड किया है उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंगली उसके अपने एफर्ट के बेसिस पे उनको मार्क्स मिला है. इसमें कोई भी गुंजाइश नहीं सर.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅಂತ. ಈ ದಿನ SLC ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದಂತ ಮಹಾಜಬೀನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಲಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ರಾತ್ರಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಗ್ರಾಜ್ನ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ. 8 ಗಂಟೆಗಳವರೆಗೂ ಅವರು ಸತತ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.